If someone treats you as an option, leave them as a choice. Have you ever felt the pain when someone ignores you, even though you have loved with all your heart? They insult you as if your feelings and emotions do not matter to them. They ignore you as if your presence is inconsequential. They never prioritize you in their life, while you are loving them with all your heart. But imagine if you could reverse engineer it in a manner that compels them mentally to prioritize you in their life. Indeed, in this video, I'm going to share 4 rules to become a charismatic individual that everyone will desire to be included in your life. Rule 1. Create the fear of losing you permanently. People don't give attention to something that is always available at their hand, even if it is valuable. But if there is a fear of losing it, they care for it. And if they lose it, only then do they understand its value. Imagine this. You are the person they can't imagine life without. Your absence would leave a gaping hole that no one else could fill. You're not just an option. You're their ultimate necessity. How do you make this happen? It's simple, yet powerful. You need to show them that your world revolves around more than just them. You're fiercely self-reliant, confident, and complete independently. Your life is a vibrant, thrilling adventure without them. Confidence and self-sufficiency are magnetic. You're not here to chase love or beg for scraps of attention. You're here to make them chase you. They will beg for your attention for themselves. So, create a fear of losing you. Let them seek your attention. Make yourself valuable. Remember, you're not just a contender in this game. You're the champion they can't afford to lose. Rule 2. Don't make them the center of your life. Rule 2 is about maintaining your independence and not making someone the sole focus of your existence. People are often attracted to what they can't have, and this rule helps create a sense of allure and independence in your relationships. Imagine this. You're like a shining star in the night sky, radiating your own light and energy. You don't revolve around someone else. You have your orbit, your own life, and your unique interests. Here's how you apply Rule 2. Avoid being overly focused on someone to the point where they become the center of your universe. You have your passions, your dreams, and your individuality. By not making them the center of your life, you become more captivating and irresistible. By living a life beyond the relationship, you continue to grow, evolve, and bring a sense of excitement and independence to the connection. This rule is a reminder that you're a complete person on your own, and your presence in someone's life is a valuable addition, not a substitution for their happiness. Rule 3. Don't be always available. The most valuable things in the world are not available everywhere and always. You should not be always available to anyone. Your time holds value. You should not be available whenever they want you. Your life matters first. Imagine this. You're not waiting around all the time. Your life isn't just about them. You've got your own world to enjoy, and they're lucky to be a part of it. Here's how you do it. Strike a balance. Don't be the one who's always waiting for their message or at their service every minute. Make them see that your time and attention are valuable. People are naturally attracted to those who have their own interests and plans. When they realize you're not just sitting around, it sparks their curiosity. You make them wonder what you're up to and create a sense of longing. They'll respect you more when they know you have your own life and things that matter to you. Being available all the time tells them they can have you whenever they want, but you're not just anyone. You're someone they need to work for. So, don't be always available. Rule 4. Be willing to walk away from them. Rule 4 is a reminder that you should be willing to walk away from a relationship that doesn't value you. It sends a powerful message that you won't settle for less than you deserve, and that your self-respect is non-negotiable. Imagine this. You have the strength and self-worth to recognize when a relationship is not mutually fulfilling. You are not desperate to hold on to something that diminishes your happiness and self-esteem. Here's how you apply Rule 4. You set clear boundaries and standards for how you expect to be treated in any relationship. If someone consistently fails to meet those standards, you're willing to walk away. No matter how strong your feelings might be, walking away isn't about being heartless. It's about self-preservation. It's a demonstration of your self-respect and a refusal to compromise your well-being for someone who doesn't value you. By being willing to walk away, you also create an environment where the other person may realize the gravity of the situation. They'll understand that they need to step up and prioritize you if they want to keep you in their life. In conclusion, these 4 rules offer valuable insights into how to become a magnetic presence in someone's life, someone they can't help but prioritize. By following these rules, you become an irresistible force. If someone treats you as an option, remember that you have the ultimate power to delete them from your life as a choice. Your worth is non-negotiable, and you deserve to be with people who recognize and prioritize your value. We are at the end of the video, and now it's time to take responsibility and action. Write down in the comments section to declare to yourself, I am a warrior in my own life, and if there is anyone who treats me as an option, I will throw them as a choice. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more daily doses.